Hey, happy National Canning Jar Day. And I'm here to show you part of my collection. Let me get up here, see a little better. I mean, no collection would be complete without the Ball Perfect Mason in both the large and quart size and then pint size. I know these aren't very old, 1970s Magic Mason. One of my favorite from the 1970s, Mom's Mason Jar. See Mom on the jar, Mom's. I have reproduction violet ones. This is one of my favorites. This one, my mom had a few of these and I just love them. I still have them. The old coffee jars. Yes, in the 1930s, people used to sell things in jars just so you could reuse them. Because, you know, that's smart. And the zero waste thing was popular back in the 1930s, just like now. This one was another one that was sold in stores, but you could reuse it. And as you can see, today's lids and rings fit right on there perfectly. So, just want to say, happy National Canning Jar Day, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you.